Hi everyone, and welcome to today's exploration into the fascinating world of manufacturing. I'm diving into how 3D metal printing, specifically the selective laser melting process, is revolutionizing the way we produce gears. Let's start with the basics. Traditional gear manufacturing involves cutting and machining, which not only takes a lot of time but also wastes materials. Now imagine a technology that reduces this waste and speeds up the entire process. That's where 3D metal printing comes in. Selective laser melting, or SLM, uses high-powered lasers to fuse fine metal powders together, layer by layer, according to digital designs. This means if you can design it on a computer, you can produce it in metal down to the most intricate details. Now, why is this important for gear production? Gears are critical components in many machines, and their efficiency and durability directly impact the overall performance of the machine. With SLM, gears can be made lighter with complex geometries that were impossible to achieve with traditional methods. This not only saves material but also enhances performance. But the benefits don't stop there. The ability to print on demand changes the game. Need a custom gear for a specific application? No problem. 3D printing allows for rapid prototyping and production, slashing development times and enabling faster innovation cycles. Let's talk numbers. Industries adopting this technology have reported up to a 50% reduction in production times and a significant decrease in material costs due to the precision of laser melting. This is a game changer in a field where efficiency is everything. Moreover, this isn't just about making individual gears. It's about rethinking entire assemblies. With the design flexibility offered by 3D printing, engineers are now able to consolidate multiple parts into a single, more efficient component. This simplification reduces the points of failure and streamlines the assembly process. And as we look to the future, the environmental impact of manufacturing is more important than ever. 3D metal printing is a more sustainable option, reducing waste and energy consumption compared to traditional manufacturing methods. It's not just good for business, it's good for the planet. In conclusion, the shift to 3D metal printing in gear production isn't just an upgrade, it's a complete transformation. It's enabling faster, more efficient, and more innovative manufacturing processes. For any manufacturer out there, staying informed and perhaps adopting this technology could very well be the key to your future success. Thanks for joining me today. If you're as excited about the possibilities of 3D metal printing as I am, let's continue this conversation. Dive deeper, ask questions, and think about how you can be at the forefront of this manufacturing revolution. See you next time.